How to buy storage on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy storage on your iPhone. So if you're running out of storage on your iPhone, this is what you do. Open up your settings. After you open up your settings, you'll see your profile, your user Apple ID on the top. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you'll see different options. So head over to iCloud. After you're on your iCloud, you will see how much you have left on your iCloud. Now, if you want to increase that, if you want to get more, you can always upgrade to iCloud Plus. There you can see upgrade to iCloud Plus and many options right here. So you can also upgrade to 50 GB. You can see it's only $0.99 per month. If you tap on that, it will take you to this section where you can see different packages available. So you can see different packages from 52 terabytes of space per month. You can select whichever one's the best for you and then tap on upgrade to iCloud Plus. Then go through the transaction process and use your new storage. And that's it for today. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.